Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the MENATT stainless steel P-trap with bathroom sink stopper. A complete plumbing kit designed for efficient pipe replacement. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with an elegant oil-rubbed bronze finish, this P-trap is not only anti-corrosion and anti-rust but also built to last, ensuring no leaks and prolonged durability. Its adjustable height, ranging from 9 to 10.5 inches, and a 180-degree rotatable wall entry pipe make it versatile enough to fit any 1-1/4 inch drain component seamlessly. This innovative design effectively prevents unpleasant sewage gases from entering your bathroom, promoting a healthier environment in your home. The kit includes everything you need for installation, such as the P-trap, flange, nut, gaskets, tape, and extension tube, saving you the hassle of purchasing parts individually. Plus, with our dedicated after-sales service team ready to assist you within 24 hours, you can have peace of mind knowing help is always available for any installation questions or issues. So, upgrade your bathroom plumbing with the MENATT P-trap and enjoy a cleaner, fresher space today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.